base energy storage for our clients. So, for the introduction for this project, we have noticed that growing energy demand and the need to reduce greenhouse gas production has led to a lot of investigations about how to store energy. And we also have noticed that solar and wind energy is not really helpful, so we are to address this challenge. We have a battery-based energy storage that is being developed. For the problem is that the normal kind of energy storage, like solar or wind, is not really going to be useful for future generations. So, and this one is going to be for the impact on society. It can really help improve the quality of life, reduce greenhouse production, and stabilize the electrical grid. For the applicable STEM technologies, it can be mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and physics. The benefits can be scalability, sustainability, and flexibility. But there are also obstacles like cost, because it can really be expensive. The maintenance, because it needs to be, it has a lot of things that need to be constantly maintained. Yeah. And that complexity, because it has a lot of things and can really be hard for the needs or gas can be energy storage and power grid stability. The measuring success can be system efficiency, grid stability, and emission reduction. And the necessary resources will be human resources, financial resources, and materials. Gravity energy storage is a topic that has been addressed by various authors and experts in the fields of energy and physics. According to recent studies, gravitational potential energy can be used to store renewable energy in an efficient, scalable manner. There are several gravity energy storage systems that have been proposed and developed. Some examples include gravity energy storage systems and open hydro energy storage systems.
the energy when the platform is on the ground.
measurements. Prototype base counts of the length of 2 meters, width of 1 meter, height of 0.5 meters, and the materials are reinforced concrete. The supporting structure is formed by height of 5 meters, width of 0.5 meters, depth of 0.5 meters, and the material is structured steel. The materials are reinforced concrete, quantity 5 cubic meters, and the use is prototype base, counterweight, the structural steel, quantity 2 tons, use support structure, stainless steels, quantity 100 kilograms. The pulley is formed by the diameter of 0.5 meters, width of 0.2 meters. The material is stainless steel. The cable is length of 10 meters, diameter of 0.01 meters. The material is galvanized steel. The counterweight is not by weight of 500 kilograms. Dimensions are 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 1 meter. The material is reinforced concrete. Braking system type is plate. This is diameter of 0.2 meter. And the used pulley brake system. Galvanized steel, quantity of 500 meters. The use is cable. Programmable logic control. Comes of quantity of 1 unit. Use control system, other materials, rings that comes of 4 units, bolts and nuts that comes of 100 units, and then electrical cables that comes of 15 meters.
Okay, next.
The preliminary analysis.
Okay, next one.
User manual. Limitations and regulations. The prototype is not able to work under any conditions. It has to be specific conditions that are, it cannot be exposure on high temperatures. It requires regular maintenance, of course, because it works. You don't do maintenance, okay? And no unauthorized modifications. The strengths and adaptations are that the prototype is designed to withstand loads of up to X tons. Adaptations can be made to increase the prototype energy, extruder capacity, and no adaptations must be made to compromise the safety or operations of the prototype. The steps for use is power on, the second is step on, the third is charging, the fourth is storage, 5 is discharge, 6 is monitoring, 7 maintenance, and 8 inspections.
For best practice, people use simple language in documentation and communication. Simple process and procedures to make the prototype easy to use. Add safety and efficiency.
Can you mention the variables?
It's the mass element object. It's the variable number 1, the height of elevation, and the sun time, power generate, and system existence. It's the variable. In conclusion, gravity, gases, energy, solar systems are a new and promising way to store renewable energy. They use gravity by lifting heavy blocks where there is extra energy and lowering them to produce